The ability to communicate effectively with others is more important than ever in today's increasingly interconnected world. Whether you're networking at a professional event or striking up a conversation with a stranger on the street, being able to connect on a personal level with others can open up new opportunities and enrich your life. While some people appear to be born with a natural talent for conversation, others may find it difficult to put themselves out there and interact with others. Don't worry if you're one of the latter. There are a number of things you can do to improve your conversational skills and become more comfortable talking to anyone, anywhere. Here are a few tips. 1. Be confident in yourself. Effective communication requires self-assurance. When you believe in yourself, your demeanor improves, and you become more approachable. Being self-assured is a game changer when it comes to conversing with people from all walks of life. It's like having a superpower that makes interactions more pleasant. Consider this. You walk into a room, shoulders back, a genuine smile on your face. That aura of confidence can make anyone feel at ease around you. Confidence isn't about being the center of attention or being loud. It's about owning who you are. Accept your eccentricities, strengths, and flaws. When you're at ease in your own skin, it naturally makes others feel at ease. Consider confidence to be the secret sauce that allows conversations to flow naturally. You don't have to be an expert in everything. You just have to be yourself. People respond positively to authenticity. So speak up, share your ideas, and don't be afraid to show off your personality. Remember that making mistakes is normal. It's not about being perfect. It's about being resilient. Shake it off and try again if a conversation doesn't go as planned. Every interaction is an opportunity to learn and grow. Confidence attracts others. Others are more likely to believe in you if you believe in yourself. So, stand tall, speak with conviction, and go into every conversation knowing you have something valuable to offer. Confidence is the universal language that transcends barriers and fosters connections, whether you're chatting with a colleague, making small talk at an event, or engaging with someone from a different culture. 2. Break the ice. Breaking the ice with people, regardless of where you are, is like opening a door to meaningful connections. It doesn't have to be a difficult task. It's more about finding common ground and exuding an attitude that says, "Hey, I'm friendly. Let's chat." Begin with a simple, genuine smile. It's incredible how much warmth a smile can add to a conversation. From there, you can make a light remark about your surroundings or the event you're both attending. This place has such a cool vibe, don't you think? If you're feeling brave, compliment something about the other person, a fashionable accessory, their music taste, or even their enthusiasm for a topic. Compliments are like little conversation starters that make people feel good and want to talk. Another strategy is to use open-ended questions. Instead of yes or no questions, try, "What brings you here today?" or "Any exciting plans for the weekend?" This allows the other person to share more about themselves, naturally extending the conversation. Remember that being genuine and approachable is more important than saying the perfect thing when breaking the ice. As a result, don't overthink it. Finally, believe in the power of a good joke or a funny observation. Laughter is an excellent icebreaker and instantly brightens the mood. Just keep it light and positive. You don't want to offend anyone unintentionally. Breaking the ice entails creating a welcoming environment in which conversation can take place. So, be yourself, be friendly, and most importantly, enjoy yourself. After all, the best connections frequently begin with a simple, "Hello, how's it going?" 3. Be a good listener. People value those who take the time to listen to them. To demonstrate your interest, make eye contact, nod your head, and ask follow-up questions. Being a good listener is like having a hidden superpower when it comes to the art of conversation. It is not just about hearing words. It is also about truly understanding and connecting with the person to whom you are speaking. First and foremost, eliminate all distractions. Put your phone away, resist the urge to look around the room, and concentrate on the person speaking. Give them your undivided attention and demonstrate that you are genuinely interested in what they have to say. Nonverbal cues can help you. Make eye contact, nod in agreement, and use facial expressions to demonstrate that you're paying attention. It's amazing how much can be communicated without saying a single word, and these cues show the speaker that you're paying attention. Avoid the urge to interrupt. Allow the other person to finish their thought before adding your own. This not only demonstrates respect but also enables a more fluid and meaningful exchange of ideas. Ask questions that demonstrate that you are actively processing what is being said rather than simply hearing it. A simple, "Can you tell me more about that?" or "How did that make you feel?" can start a conversation and make the speaker feel important. Reflective listening is an extremely effective technique. To ensure comprehension, repeat what you've heard. It not only shows that you're paying attention, but it also allows you to clear up any potential misunderstandings. Empathy can go a long way. Put yourself in the shoes of the other person, try to understand their point of view, and acknowledge their feelings. This fosters a stronger connection and a more open and honest conversation. Remember that being a good listener entails more than simply waiting your turn to speak. It also entails creating a space for meaningful dialogue. Whether in a casual conversation or a more serious discussion, the ability to actively listen can elevate a conversation from ordinary to extraordinary. So tune in, be present, and allow the magic of genuine listening to work its magic. 4. Make use of humor. A good joke or anecdote at the right time can help to lighten the mood and make the conversation more enjoyable. Humor is like a secret ingredient that can instantly liven up any conversation. It's not so much about being a stand-up comedian as it is about finding those light-hearted moments that make interactions memorable and enjoyable. Begin with a smile. It's the most basic form of humor. A genuine, friendly smile can break down barriers and set the tone for the conversation. It's the equivalent of saying, "Hey, let's keep this light and fun." Observational humor is a rare find. Make a light-hearted remark about something in your surroundings or a shared experience. It could be a quirky fact about the location you're in or a humorous observation about a current situation. This adds levity while also demonstrating that you are present and engaged. When used sparingly, self-deprecating humor can be a powerful tool. It humanizes you and makes you more approachable. Tell a funny story about a minor mishap or make fun of a harmless quirk of yours. It encourages others to let down their guard and join in the laughter. Timing is everything. Allow humor to emerge naturally in the conversation rather than forcing it into every sentence. A little goes a long way when it comes to seasoning a dish. Remember that humor should always be inclusive and never hurtful to others. Avoid sensitive topics and keep the context in mind. The goal is to create an environment in which everyone feels at ease and can laugh together. Puns and wordplay can be amusing. Throw in a clever pun or a playful word twist if the situation calls for it. It adds a touch of wit and demonstrates your quick thinking. Above all, stay true to yourself. Your genuine sense of humor is your most valuable asset. Allow your natural wit to shine, whether you enjoy playful banter or a dry sense of humor. Humor that is genuine and memorable creates a connection that is not only entertaining but also genuine and memorable. So, have fun with it, and don't be afraid to show off your sense of humor in any conversation. You can improve your conversational skills and become more comfortable talking to anyone, anywhere, by following these tips. With a little practice, you'll be able to strike up a conversation and make a good impression on everyone you meet.